taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning, people. How are you, everyone? Welcome to our channel from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia Septimo. Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a soup, tomato basil soup. It's look yummy and delicious. This is really good for everyone. Hi people! Ito yung recipe. Okay guys. Simple but masarap na soup. Okay guys. This is the tomato soup can and meron tayong butter, salt, parmesan, onion, garlic. Meron tayong dry basil kasi wala akong fresh. And then meron tayong olive oil and then meron tayong hinap ko lang siyang broth. Nor. Okay guys, so and then this is the fun. Okay, let's begin guys. Okay guys, look at that. So lagyan na natin yung tomato. Ayan. Pure na pure. So ayan, nice ha. Mix lang natin to. Just mix it. Wow, amazing. Lagyan natin siya ng water. So mas masarap kasi may halong water. Ayan, soup. Ayan. Okay, ayan. Wow. Amazing tomato soup. This look amazing tomato soup, people. Lagyan natin siya ng konting salt. Huwag masyadong maalat. At yung broth. And lagyan natin siya ng okay guys. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng basil. Ayan. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? Oh, look at that. Guys, look at this. Antayin natin siyang kumulo. Just leave it boiling. Okay? This is look amazing. I love tomato soup. Tomato soup. Yummy and delicious. Look at that, people. Guys, look at that, amazing. Ayan, luto na. Tomato soup, amazing guys. Lovely. Ayan. Look at that. Nice, huh? Okay guys, look at that. Lagyan natin yung parmesan. This is the parmesan, okay? Wow. Nice. Ayan. Look at this, guys. People, look. Amazing, huh? It's sticky. Okay, people, look at that tomato soup. It's look yummy and delicious, guys. Amazing, beautiful, good for everyone, good for every family. So yeah, look at this. Yummy. Hi guys, look my delicious tomato soup, Basil. Amazing. Hopefully you like my tomato soup, and please subscribe and like and thumbs up. And in the kitchen we are fire. Thank you for your watching. Have a nice day, guys. See you our next video. Let's begin in it. Wow, it's yummy, huh? I love it. It's really hot. Nice. I love it. The parmesan is nice. I can taste. All the ingredient is lovely. Amazing. Fantastic, people. Amazing. Thank you guys for your watching. Ang sarap. Sana po nagustuhan nyo.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world,